the feeling that you get when you eat outside. It's like, is that the way that it was intended to be? Like, you should be out there with the wind slightly in your hair, just enjoying that moment outside. I'm Linda Hoang, and I am an Edmonton blogger who explores my city and loves to share it with others. You can't have a picnic without good food, and I remember the first time I went to Faro, I got this gigantic sandwich stuffed with so much good food. It looks great, it tastes great, it's just so easy to grab a sandwich and take it with you. If you're in the mood for pastries, which I think is the perfect picnic dessert, stop by ELEANOR and LAURENT, this adorable cafe bakery in the Garneau neighborhood. It's actually quite walkable to some great parks and not too far from the Walterdale Bridge, which is one of Edmonton's landmarks. It's that sort of gateway or entry point into downtown. Right by the Walterdale Bridge, there's the Walterdale Hill. In the summer, you'll find the happiest groups of people spread out on this hill, eating, having a good time, and then right before them is the city skyline. So it's just a lovely setting. There's so many great picnic spots and great parks to eat outside in Edmonton. You've got Hawrelak Park, Etio-Ferron Park, Emily Murphy, and Laurier. I love picnicking at the University of Alberta Botanic Gardens. You combine pretty landmarks and being outside, and that takes it to another level. In some areas, it just feels like you have been transplanted into a different place. You're gonna get really good food, you're gonna get super cute pictures, and it's just a nice way to, I think, spend the day. I think it always blows people's minds when I say that Edmonton has the largest urban parkland in Canada. Edmonton has a lot of amazing spots to just grab some food, throw down a blanket, and enjoy the scenery around you.